Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Pepe Coin on Crypto.com. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of purchasing Pepe Coin on the Crypto.com platform. First, you need to create an account on Crypto.com if you don't already have one. Go to the Crypto.com website and click on Sign Up. Then enter your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Crypto.com. Next, you need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. This involves providing your personal details and uploading a valid government-issued ID. This process is mandatory to comply with regulatory requirements and to ensure the security of your account. After your account is verified, you need to fund it with a cryptocurrency that can be used to buy Pepe Coin, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Once your account is funded, you can proceed to buy Pepe Coin. To do this, click on the Trade button and select Pepe Coin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of Pepe Coin you want to buy and click on the Buy button. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency involves risk, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. It is also crucial to keep your account and cryptocurrency safe by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, buying Pepe Coin on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that involves creating an account, completing the Know Your Customer verification process, funding your account, and placing a buy order. Always remember to prioritize the security of your account and cryptocurrency, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.